Lakshmi Amba Memorial Bhagavad Gita competition. It's not a solo competition. Today one of our beloved student, Sri Parna Rai, is going to give the memorization of all 700 shlokas in reverse order, Viloma Krama. So our esteemed Chancellor as well as beloved Guruji and Vice Chancellor Dr. Ramchandra Bhatt and Dr. Tilak Rao is the Assistant Director of Veda Vijnana Shodha Samsthana. They are going to celebrate as well as to conduct this competition in reverse order. I request Kumari Sri Parna to come on to the dais. And I request Dr. Ramchandra Bhatt ji to give a note on this program.
We are very fortunate to inherit wonderful tradition of Gurukulam, where two type of cognitive testing systems were adopted. Number one, Ghatika Pariksha. Number two, it is Shalaka Pariksha. Ghatika Pariksha is that type of evaluating system which was very comprehensive, very spontaneous in nature. It was before those books were published, granthas were created, before Mahabharata time. No letters were used for cognitive expansion. It is only from Mastaka to Mastaka. No Pustaka had its role to play. So that Jnana transmission was from Mastaka to Mastaka. No Pustaka. That is where this Ghatika type of evaluation system adopted in those Gurukulas. So great Gurus used to sit under the banyan tree, whatever Vriksha, and those who study in their Gurukulas and submit with their special branch of Vedas and Vedangas, and those great scholars in that panel, they test and declare that in our grammar, he is the great scholar of this particular school of thought. Ruka Yajus Sama Atharva, Shiksha Kalpa Vyakarana Chandodhiruktam, Ayurveda, Dhanurveda, Gandharveda, Arthaveda, and Vedanta, Nyaya, Mimamsa, Sankhya Yoga. All these are the different names given to different branches of science of ancient, great, glorious Bharat. After Mahabharata, this another system of examination, Shalaka, it came to exist because granthas were in usage. Whatever it was in Mastaka, it was transmitted to Pustaka. It is in the post-Mahabharata period, not in pre-Mahabharata period. So in the post-Mahabharata period, this another system of evaluation, it is called Shalaka, where they used to insert Shalaka, a stick. Wherever that it goes there, they used to ask questions, and verbatim examination and meaning-wise examination, that is how it was conducted. Shalaka, it is now in practice. Ghatika is very difficult, very tough, where the whole text, it is to be internalized and it is to be submitted. It was in all Rugyajas Sama Atharveda. We could bring it here in our Yes Vyasa. So some of our students, high school going students, also could submit all 700 shlokas from Bhagavad Gita, starting from Dharma Kshetre, Kurukshetre up to Yatra Yogeshwara Krishna. That type of examinations we conducted. In our Yoga Vinayaka Sannidhi, many of our friends, students, even middle-aged sadhakas, our sisters, mothers, all could exhibit that type of highest caliber. In the same time, there were some students also, high school going, those who could submit all 700 shlokas, starting from Yatra Yogeshwara Krishna up to Dharmakshetra Kurukshetra. For this, special sadhana is very much required. So these are the cognitive testing systems of glorious period of Bharat. Our every person from every house, घर घर में, सरस्वती नदी के किनारे हर घर में इस तरह के प्रतिभाशाली उत्पन्न होते थे. बालक बालिकाएं अपने टेंडर एज में इतनी शक्तिशाली बनते थे, उसको ये कोई असंभव नहीं लगता था. ये घर घर की कहानी बनती थी. इस तरह पूरे वेद का कंठस्थकरण और पुराणों का, महाभारत रामायण का, ये तो वो कहानी. किंतु द सेम ऋषि ब्लड फ्लोइंग. ग्रेट स्वामी जी, Swami Ranganathanand ji used to say in one of the functions in youth convention in Bangalore, he told, you scratch a young man or woman, the same Rishi blood is flowing. That is proven. That is proved very many times here. So, Shiparna Roy from Bengal, she has been doing her sadhana in our Vanamali under the guidance of Subhadraji and Mohanji, and many other great scholars like our Guruji, Nagendraji, our Chancellor. They gave so much motivation to take up this type of wonderful mission. She successfully accomplished this wonderful venture. Now with all humbleness, because her very nature is humbleness, she embodies that feeling. She submitted that. So with that much sense of humbleness, she is submitting all this. We have our great Guruji, Nagendraji, and we have our Dr. Tilak Rao, one who is the pioneer in this whole series, this achievement, because he was the first man in our Gurukulam in Karnataka who studied 6 years in Prabodhini and 6 more years in Veda Vijnana Gurukulam, and now he is the deputy director of Veda Vijnana Gurukulam. He was the first man to submit all this before Pavitra Sthanam, Sarvajna Peetham of the whole Bharat, that is Sringeri Amnaya Peetham, that we have to accept, because Swamiji embodies that much highest cognitive excellence. And recently he was blessed by Anugraha he got from Bharati Tirtha also on 12th of July when he came to Veda Vijnana Gurukulam. Bharati Tirtha, he was very kind enough to bless Tilakacharya because he has done wonderful work where Vyakarana and Vijnana was cogently combined. His main research area is Panini Vyakaranam and set theory in mathematics, very interesting subject. He has accomplished it in Pondicherry Central University. So that particular area he could show before Bharati Tirtha Mahaswamiji of Sringeri Matham. He was so happy and he blessed by him. And he submitted all 700 shlokas. Later on now, about 50 students, there were more than I think 12 Balikas. Balikas from Yasvyasa, Balikas from Maitri Gurukulam, and Balakas from Prabodhini Gurukulam and Vijnana Gurukulam, and even our middle-aged persons like Karibasappa and so many others, they could submit this wonderful and got that wonderful anugraha from Sharada Peetham. So it has all this background, all these inspiring, motivating factors behind it. That is why I took this much time to present all these thoughts behind it. ये सब समझकर हम इस सुप्रभात में, इस मंगल मंदिर में भाग ले रहे हैं. इस परीक्षा का स्वरूप ऐसा होगा, आरंभ से बताने का नहीं है, अंत से. Probably Tilakacharya got his own plan to conduct this one. So we all will be supporting him. Starting from 18th chapter, it will be going on like that. She will be submitting in the reverse order. Anuloma krama and Viloma krama, that's how two kramas are there. This Viloma krama, it requires so much intense concentration. All 700 shlokas submitting in an adverse order, reverse order. So with so much concentration she submits, so that मैं निवेदन करता हूँ हमारे गुरुजी और तिलकाचार्य और भी आप सज्जन लोग बैठे हैं, हमारे छात्रवृंद छात्र छात्राएं बैठे हैं, यह एक स्वर्णिम क्षण होगा। ये सब साधना गुरुकुल में चलता था, हम भी यहाँ गुरुकुल चलाते हैं। गुरुजी बार बार बताते हैं, हमको बताते हैं, ये गुरुकुल संस्कृति को लाओ, बेस्ट ऑफ द ईस्ट बेस्ट ऑफ द वेस्ट, विवेकानंद का ये घोषणा, इसको धरातल पे लाओ, वे कहते ही रहते हैं। ये गुरुकुल को धरातल पे लाना यानी इस तरह की प्रतिभा का प्रकाशन करना होता है। एक तरह हम अन्वेषण में संशोधन करते जाएंगे साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी के जरिए, और वेदांत योग के आधार पर हम गुरुकुल भी चलाएंगे। इस तरह प्रतिभा प्रकाशन भी चलता रहेगा इस मंगल मंदिर पर। यह एक स्वर्णिम क्षण है। इतना ही निवेदन करके मैं आज के इस सत्र को चलाएं, मैं निवेदन करता हूं डॉक्टर तिलकाचार्य और गुरु जी। बाद में तो आप भी पूछ सकते हैं, अनुमति होगा तो सभा से भी हम 2-3 प्रश्न। इसलिए भगवान व्यासः वेदांत अनुष्ठान वेदांति विवेकानंदः एतयोर्द्वयोः आशीर्वादः भवतु। श्रीपर्णाराय इदानीं कार्यं करोति।
From first chapter, we will start. So reverse order.
From first chapter to?
Yeah, from first chapter. अथ व्यवस्थितान् दृष्ट्वा
अथ व्यवस्थितान् दृष्ट्वा धार्तराष्ट्रान् कपिध्वजः प्रवृत्ते शस्त्रसम्पाते धनुरुद्यम्य पाण्डवः सघोषो धार्तराष्ट्राणां हृदयानि व्यदारयत् नभश्च पृथिवीं चैव तुमुलो व्यनुनादयन् द्रुपदो द्रौपदेयाश्च सर्वशः पृथिवीपते सौभद्रश्च महाबाहुः शङ्खान् दद्मुः पृथक् पृथक् काश्यश्च परमेश्वासः शिखण्डी च महारथः दृष्टद्युम्नो विराटश्च सात्यकिश्च पराजितः
हतो वा प्राप्स्यसि स्वर्गम्
हतो वा प्राप्स्यसि स्वर्गं जित्वा वा भोक्ष्यसे महीं तस्मादुत्तिष्ठ कौन्तेय युद्धाय कृतनिश्चयः अवाच्यवादांश्च बहून् वदिष्यन्ति तवाहिताः निन्दन्तस्तव सामर्थ्यं ततो दुःखतरन्नु किम् भयाद्रणादुपरतं मंस्यन्ते त्वां महारथाः येषां च त्वं बहुमतः भूत्वा यास्यसि लाघवम्
एषा ब्राह्मी स्थितिः पार्थ
येषा ब्राह्मी स्थितिः पार्थ नैनां प्राप्य विमुह्यति स्थित्वा स्यामन्तकालेऽपि ब्रह्मनिर्वाणमृच्छति विहाय कामान्यः सर्वान् पुमांश्चरति निःस्पृहः निर्ममो निरहङ्कारः स शान्तिमधिगच्छति
कर्मणैव हि संसिद्धिम्
कर्मणैव हि संसिद्धिम् आस्थिता जनकादयः लोकसङ्ग्रहमेवापि सम्पश्यन् कर्तुमर्हसि तस्मादसक्तः सततं कार्यं कर्म समाचर असक्तो ह्याचरन् कर्म परमाप्नोति पूरुषः नैव तस्य कृतेनार्थः नाकृतेनेह कश्चन न चास्य सर्वभूतेषु कश्चिदर्थव्यपाश्रयः
काङ्क्षन्तः कर्मणां सिद्धिम्
काङ्क्षन्तः कर्मणां सिद्धिं यजन्त इह देवताः क्षिप्रं हि मानुषे लोके सिद्धिर्भवति कर्मजा ये यथा मां प्रपद्यन्ते तांस्तथैव भजाम्यहं मम वर्त्मानुवर्तन्ते मनुष्याः पार्थ सर्वशः वीतरागभयक्रोधाः मन्मया मामुपाश्रिताः बहवो ज्ञानिनस्तत्त्वविदः ज्ञानतपसा पूता मद्भावमागताः
ज्ञेयः स नित्यसन्न्यासी
ज्ञेयः स नित्यसन्न्यासी यो न द्वेष्टि न काङ्क्षति
साङ्ख्ययोगौ पृथक् बालाः
साङ्ख्ययोगौ पृथक् बालाः प्रवदन्ति न पण्डिताः एकमप्यास्थितः सम्यग् उभयोर्विन्दते फलं ज्ञेयः स नित्यसन्न्यासी यो न द्वेष्टि न काङ्क्षति निर्द्वन्द्वो हि महाबाहो सुखं बन्धात् प्रमुच्यते सन्न्यासः कर्मयोगश्च निःश्रेयसकरावुभौ तयोस्तु कर्मसन्न्यासात् कर्मयोगो विशिष्यते श्रीभगवानुवाच सन्न्यासं कर्मणां कृष्ण पुनर्योगं च शंससि यच्छ्रेययेतयोरेकं तन्मे ब्रूहि सुनिश्चितम् अर्जुन उवाच अथ पञ्चमोऽध्यायः
तत्रैकाग्रं मनः कृत्वा
तत्रैकाग्रं मनः कृत्वा यतचित्तेन्द्रियक्रियः उपविश्यासने युञ्ज्यात् योगमात्मविशुद्धये शुचौ देशे प्रतिष्ठाप्य स्थिरमासनमात्मनः नात्युच्छ्रितन्नातिनीचं चैलाजिनकुशोत्तरम्
यथाकाशस्थितो नित्यं
यथाकाशस्थितो नित्यं वायुः सर्वत्र गो महान् तथा सर्वाणि भूतानि मत्स्थानीत्युपधारय न च मत्स्थानि भूतानि पश्य मे योगमैश्वरं भूतभृन्न च भूतस्थः ममात्मा भूतभावनः मया ततमिदं सर्वं जगदव्यक्तमूर्तिना मत्स्थानि सर्वभूतानि न चाहं तेष्वस्थितः
10th chapter 5th shloka.
अहिंसा समता तुष्टिः तपोदानं यशो यशः भवन्ति भावा भूतानां मत्त एव पृथग्विधाः
Digitally also we are asking, shloka number this chapter. She now replied, successfully she ventured.
12th chapter 6th shloka.
ये तु सर्वाणि कर्माणि मयि सन्न्यस्य मत्पराः अनन्येनैव योगेन मां ध्यायन्त उपासते
16th chapter 6th verse.
द्वौ भूतसर्गौ लोकेऽस्मिन् दैव आसुर एव च दैवो विस्तरशः प्रोक्तः आसुरं पार्थ मे शृणु
Abhayam sattva samshuddhihi.
अभयं सत्त्वसंशुद्धिः ज्ञानयोगव्यवस्थितिः दानन्दमश्च यज्ञश्च स्वाध्यायस्तप आर्जवम् श्रीभगवानुवाच अथ षोडशोऽध्यायः ॐ तत्सदिति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे पुरुषोत्तमयोगो नाम पञ्चदशोऽध्यायः
ब्रह्मार्पणं ब्रह्म हविः
ब्रह्मार्पणं ब्रह्म हविः ब्रह्माग्नौ ब्रह्मणाहुतं ब्रह्मैव तेन गन्तव्यं ब्रह्मकर्मसमाधिना गतसङ्गस्य मुक्तस्य ज्ञानावस्थितचेतसः यज्ञायाचरतः कर्म समग्रं प्रविलीयते
क्षेत्रज्ञं चापि भूतानि
क्षेत्रज्ञं चापि मां विद्धि सर्वक्षेत्रेषु भारत क्षेत्रक्षेत्रज्ञयोर्ज्ञानं यत्तज्ज्ञानं मतं मम इदं शरीरं कौन्तेय क्षेत्रमित्यभिधीयते एतद्यो वेत्ति तं प्राहुः क्षेत्रज्ञ इति तत्विदः श्रीभगवानुवाच अथ त्रयोदशोऽध्यायः
It is very difficult because the first shloka and second shloka of 13th chapter asked, she has to come in reverse order, then she has to enter the 12th chapter. Here, though, so much memory is very much needed. Up.
17th chapter, 26th shloka.
सद्भावे साधुभावे च सदित्येतत् प्रयुज्यते प्रशस्ते कर्मणि तथा सच्छब्दः पार्थ युज्यते
18th chapter, 19th shloka.
ज्ञानं कर्म च कर्ता च विधैव गुणभेदतः प्रोच्यते गुणसङ्ख्याने यथावत् शृणुतान्यपि
अध्येष्यते य इमम्
अध्येष्यते च य इमं धर्म्यं संवादमावयोः ज्ञानयज्ञेन तेनाहम् इष्टस्यामिति मे मतिः न च तस्मान्मनुष्येषु कश्चिन्मे प्रियकृत्तमः भविता न च मे तस्माद् अन्यः प्रियतरो भुवि.
Okay. Now I'll tell you the shloka. Can you tell me which chapter and which shloka? Kacchidetat shrutam partha.
Chapter 18, shloka number 72.
Jara marana mokshaya.
Chapter 7, shloka number 29.
Gneyasya nitya sannyasi.
Chapter 5, shloka number 3.
Madanugrahaya paramam.
Chapter 11, shloka number 1.
Yatra yogeshwara krishnaha.
Chapter 18, shloka number 78.
Anybody wants to ask?
From your side.
Chapter 2, shloka number 47.
डिजिटल ये तो ऑर्डर वर्बल ऑर्डर है. यस प्लीज कंटिन्यू. अर्थ के बारे में दूसरा होगा, सत्र होगा.
This is chapter 9, shloka number 32.
Yes, questions, please. Shloka, you can ask in reverse order, she will answer. Or number, digital order also you can follow.
Chapter 12, shloka number 17.
Any more questions? We are just finalizing this whole satram.
Only one question. Purushottama Yoga, 39th sloka.
It's not there.
Very interesting. हम चाहते हैं भारत देश की ऋषि परंपरा में हम सबको ये शक्ति है. हम लक्ष्मी अम्बा स्मारक श्रीमद् भगवद गीता प्रतियोगिता माता जी चाहती थी इस संस्थान में इस तरह की प्रतिभा का प्रकाश हो. यहाँ जो बैठे हैं हम सबको ये अपॉर्चुनिटी है, हम भी आगे बढ़ें. भगवान की कृपा से हम इस तरह के सत्र में भाग लें. इस तरह का मौका फिर बार बार मिले, हम ऐसा प्रार्थना करके इस सत्र का हम समापन कर रहे हैं. अब मैं नागरत्ना जी को भी मंच पर बुलाऊंगा, हमारे ज्येष्ठ प्राध्यापक सुब्रमण्यम जी को भी. सबके सामने हम श्री प्रणव रॉय स्वयं यशस्विता का प्रमाण पत्र.
Krishna Bhagavan says, Mukam karvati vachalam. One who is dumb, can become a great orator. Pangum langhayate girim. A lame who doesn't have a leg can go up the mountain. How it can happen? Yat Krupa, His grace descends. And that occurs when we take to the path of yoga. Yoga helps us to rise from our normal level to become great human beings. It also helps from our sick level to become normal human beings and great to superhuman beings. And we had a wonderful example here, and I congratulate Shiparna for her fantastic things. All of us have tested, not only three of us, but all of you have tested her memory, her clarity and pronunciation. Everything has been beautifully trained by our Subhadra, and every word, every sentence, every shloka, corrected. It cannot come from mere chanting once or twice. And she is a great master, and under her guidance, she has rose to the great heights, not only the Anuloma, but also Viloma Krama also. She got the Anugraha prize from our Shungeri Pithadipati Abhinav Vidyarthi Swamigal, and she got the prize also, Bharati Tirth Swamigal, and she is really blessed today. ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅನೇಕರು ಇಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಗತಿಯನ್ನು ಸಾಧಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ. ಅನೇಕರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಅನೇಕ ಶಕ್ತಿಗಳು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರೋಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಆಸ್ಪದ ಇದೆ ಇವತ್ತು. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ನಮ್ಮದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡೋರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಯಾರಿಗಿಷ್ಟ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದು ಆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸ್ಬೋದು. ಆಲ್ ದೋಸ್ ಹೂ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಟ್ರೈನ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್, are most welcome. You can give the names to her, and she, or Karibasappa, Subhaladevi, all of them are going to train the people to raise to this level of excellence. And that is what is needed today. Therefore, I hope many more Suparnas are going to be created, and this university will rise to great heights. Thank you all very much. We will wish her all the best. Thank you.
Now I request all our elders to honor her with a memento as well, the certificate. Let us have a big claps. Thank you very much for one and all. Now let us conclude the session with Shanti Mantra. Adapt Namaskara Mudra. Close your eyes. Om Asato Ma Sadgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amrutangamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschidukha bhag bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.